Hey, afternoon everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. I wanted to do a quick update on the AM4 new parts PC build. The case is coming along nicely. This is a DIY S08G mid-tower teal case. It's got that plastic front panel with a little mesh front where it draws air in that way. There's 3 fans mounted up front, pushing air in, 2 up top that draw air out, and 1 on the back to vent the hot air out the back. The Raid Max 700 watt bronze power supply is mounted. Should do fine in this build. And the parts I ordered today were the Gigabyte B550MK 4 RAM slot AM4 board with PCI Express 4.0 on the video card slot and the first M.2 slot. So you get speed there, and the processor, the Ryzen 5 5600 XT, supports PCI 4 speeds, 4.0 speeds as well. The RAM was some G.Skill 32 gig DDR4 3200 RAM. And the video card is the Radeon RX 6600. I've used it before. Good 8 gig PCI Express 4.0 speed video card, but it's budget. The parts alone I ordered today were over 500, and once you add the case, the 1 terabyte M.2 and the power supply in there, the price is climbing basically. Parts should be here the 20th. We'll update you as the build comes together, and then do some benchmarking as well. I'm curious to see. This is going to be air cooled, no AIO, anything like that, since it's a mid-power build anyway. Alrighty, y'all. Well, thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out the rest of our videos on the YouTube channel. Y'all have a good rest of your day.